Alright guys, I've got a problem here. We're going to do quick and dirty how to take this thing apart so we can get in here. Not exactly sure what's going on, although it did have a lot of smoke come out of here the other day. And everything still works except for the backlight for the radio, but we're going to tear it apart real quick. So here we go. First thing, pop this open. All you got to do is just pull straight up. That comes out. Alright, the next thing, you got to take this nut or this bolt out right here. Phillips head, or I would think that's probably like a 10 mil socket. The next thing we got to do is remove this whole assembly right here. Just reach underneath, just pull straight back, and it's going to feel like you're breaking it, but it's alright, it's the way it comes out. And you pull it loose up here. Oh, there we go. Alright, so everything's loose. You can see these are the tabs that were holding it, so it's no big deal. Got one clip in the back here. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out and remove the wiring harness for this. So there we go, that's done, that's out of the way. Next thing we got to do is I need to take off this whole section right here. So we're going to remove these. Alright, next thing we got to do is actually remove the dash assembly right here underneath the steering wheel. There's two screws for that, and I'll show you where they are. Pardon the noise. You got a 10 mil screw right here, a 10 mil screw right here. Go ahead and remove those. Alright, now we got to remove this ring around the key. Take that off, set it aside, and now we just reach and pull the entire piece out. All comes out one piece, and we just let it dangle there for a minute. The next thing we got is one more screw down here, and it's actually just right at the bottom to the right of your whole console right here. Go ahead and remove that. Alright, next thing we got here, you're going to take off this whole piece right here and just reach down, open up your console, and pull straight up with this. There we go. So we got that out. On the back side of this, we actually have a clip we need to remove. This actually goes for the 12 volt cigarette lighter. Go ahead and remove that, take that out. The next one up here is for your downhill assist. So go ahead and disconnect that one, take that one out. There we go. The next thing we got to do is pull up this gray part right around here. Just again, grab hold of it, pull straight up with it. There we go. We've got nothing attached there. Alright, so the next thing we got to do, get in here to the dash, is pull out this. And this was only held in by these two screws and the one that was down here that we just took out. So we just pull everything straight out. There we go. You just have to try to get it and make sure that you're not actually messing anything up. Now back here we'll have to disconnect the cable. Same thing, you just push the tab on it and pull it straight out. This one's going to be for the 4-wheel drive and for the rear window. So there's the 4-wheel drive. There we go. Alright, so once those are disconnected, oh actually we got one on the other side over here for the hazard lights. There we go. Now we just pull everything straight up and out. Finagle it over the top of the cup holder there. Alright, so we're out on that one. We're going to go ahead and take out the stereo too for you guys. There's a bolt on each side of here, 10 millimeters. We'll go ahead and take that out. So we'll just slide the radio out. Reach back here. There's a few clips that you just have to push in and pull the clip out. Well, not pull the clip out, but there we go. We're just pushing in like down here. Just push in on it so it releases it and then pull the whole thing out. Then we got our for antenna here. These two just pull straight out. So we're good to go. So check out the next video and we'll check these both out and see if we can't figure out what the problem is. Thanks.